Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everybody. Okay, please welcome to my class. And today you will be with me. I'm Bu Emma, and my complete name is Gus Mardiani MPD, and you may call me Bu Emma. Nah, pada kesempatan kali ini, tema kita yaitu A First Day of School. Nah, kita berada pada kelas English for Beginner. Nah, berdasarkan tema kita, First Day of School, hari pertama sekolah. Of course, that it's really amazing for you. Ini merupakan satu hal yang sangat luar biasa bagi Ananda. Why I say like that? Because you have to go to school with a new clothes or uniform, and with a new bag, with a new shoes, and that's something new, right? Okay. Nah, so what you have to do on the first day of school? Apa yang harus Ananda lakukan pada hari pertama sekolah? Okay. Okay. Now, look at this one. Of course that at the first day of school, you are delivered by your mom. Okay? Ananda diantar oleh orang tua Ananda. So you are delivered by your mom, right? And then with you, there is a bag or a school bag, right? And also there is a drink tank, right? Yes, you look so happy because it's your first day of school. Ini hari pertama sekolah, dan tentunya dengan pakaian yang baru atau seragam yang baru, kemudian tas baru, tempat minum baru, right? You look so happy. You will be happy. Ananda akan bahagia. Nah, okay. Lihat pada gambar yang pertama, the first time, so you make a friends. Tentunya Ananda looking for a friends. Nah, look at all of the students here are very happy because they get a new friends, right? Okay. Nah, having fun with another activity. You go around the school and then you play with your friends and then make a having fun activity, right? Okay. Okay, next. Now, at first, when you come to the classroom, of course, that you have to meet, when you meet the first time with your teachers, and then you have to greet your teachers. Okay. Now, we know that in greeting, okay, kita kenal bahwa in Indonesia, greeting merupakan sebuah ungkapan yang biasanya digunakan oleh seseorang untuk melakukan tegur sapa atau salam dengan orang lain. Okay, so in English, we call that greeting. In Indonesia, pada bahasa Indonesia atau dalam bahasa Indonesia kita kenal dengan ungkapan salam. Okay? Nah, there are two kinds of greeting. Ada dua macam greeting. Yang pertama formal expression atau formal greeting. Yang keduanya informal expression or informal greeting. Nah, formal greeting biasanya kita gunakan when you meet your teacher. Okay, situasinya formal in the school, right? Okay, or in the office. Okay, or when you meet with the adult person. atau ketika ketemu dengan orang yang lebih tua dari Ananda. Nah, okay. So, what expression do you use there? Apa ungkapan yang kita gunakan? Like hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, how are you? What are you doing? Nice to meet you. Okay, ini ada beberapa ungkapan. Ya, when you meet your teacher in the morning, maka Ananda akan menggunakan good morning. When you meet in the afternoon, pada siang hari, maka Ananda akan menggunakan good afternoon. Okay. Nah, ketika ketemu pada sore hari, and then you say good evening. How are you? So we use when we ask for someone's condition. Ketika kita menanyakan situasi atau kondisi. What are you doing? Nice to meet you. Senang ketemu dengan Anda. And now let's come to informal expression. Untuk yang informal, ya, artinya yang tidak formal, kita menggunakan hi, hello, ya, hi, what's up, how's life, what's going on, how are things, how is everything, long time no see you. Nah, ini adalah ungkapan yang tidak formal. Okay, and then greet the teacher. Now, look at this picture. When you meet your teacher in the morning, so, ungkapan apa yang harus Ananda gunakan ketika Ananda ketemu dengan guru Ananda pada pagi hari? Of course, you will say, good morning teacher. Dan guru nanti akan membalas, good afternoon Ani. Good morning Ani. Okay, next. Okay, and then we go to English time. So time for us to practice. Okay. Now, we have an activity 1, and let's practice the dialogue here. Okay. And this dialogue, there is a dialogue between Bobby and the teacher. Okay. And then Bobby greet his teacher. Good morning, madam. And the teacher said, good morning, Bobby. How are you? And Bobby say, I'm fine. How about you, madam? And the teacher say, I'm good. Wow, your bag is nice. And Bobby responds, thank you, madam. Nah, jadi dari dialog ini, maka situasinya adalah formal, right? Okay, Bobby greet his teacher. Good morning, madam. And the teacher responds, good morning, Bobby. How are you? And Bobby also gave a response, I'm fine. How about you, madam? And the teacher responds, I'm good. Wow, your bag is nice. Thank you, madam. You are welcome. Okay, that's the response from the teacher. Okay, and now from the dialogue, we can take vocabulary building. What does it mean by good morning? Of course, selamat pagi, right? How are you? Ya, apa kabarmu? Okay, and I'm fine. Yes, saya sehat. Right? How about you? Bagaimana dengan kamu? How about you? Okay. Thank you. Terima kasih. Okay, you are welcome. Terima kasih kembali. Okay. What do you think about our activity? Is it nice? Bisa kita lanjut? Nah, sekarang write F, write T if the statement is true and F when it is false. Tulis T jika pernyataannya benar, and F dan F jika pernyataannya salah. Okay, first one, Bobby is a new student. Nah, okay, coba Ananda di rumah coba jawab, Bobby is a new student. Is it true or false? Okay, go on. Ananda lanjutkan dulu. Oke, nanti baru kita cek bersama-sama. Number 2. He meets his teacher in the market. He meets his teacher in the market. Right. Next. He uses formal greeting to greet his teacher. He uses formal greeting to greet his teacher. Okay. The next number. His teacher gave response informal. His teacher gave response in informal. Okay. True or false? The last one. The teacher used how are you in asking condition. The teacher used how are you in asking condition. Okay? Have you finished? Let's check the answer. Number 1. Okay. True. Right. And number 2 is false. Number 3, true. Number 4 is false. And number 5 is true. How many mistakes do you have? All right. Next. We go to activity 3. Okay. Choose A, B, C, or D for the correct answer. Okay, still based on this dialogue. Okay, number 1. Right. He meet his teacher, Bobby. Okay. Something mistype here. Ya, ada yang tinggal ya. Bobby meets his teacher in the A, school, street, house, or cafe. You have to choose. And the second one, it is in the night, evening, afternoon, or morning. Okay. Number 3. The teacher says to ask his condition. A. How old are you? B. How are you? C. How do you do? D. How's life? Okay, the next question will be the last question. Bobby's response is, I'm sad. B. I don't know. C. I'm fine. D. Nothing. Okay, and now we have to check your answer. Kita cek bagaimana jawaban Anda. Okay, the first one, the answer is A. Okay, number 2. Right, the answer is D. And number 3, the answer is B. And number 4, the answer is C. Okay, how many mistakes do you have? All right. I'm sure that you can do the activity, right? Wow, look at this picture. At the first day, it's really unforgettable days, yeah? It's unforgettable experience and also unforgettable days on you and the school. Jadi hari pertama sekolah merupakan hari yang tidak bisa dilupakan in your life, right? Di dalam hidupmu. So you have many things that you can remember. You get many things you get. Banyak yang Anda dapat pada hari pertama sekolah. You get a new friends. You get a new teacher. You get a new experience. You get a new knowledge. Yes, anything. Semuanya Anda dapatkan dan membuat suasana menjadi ceria. And then you can see the picture. Okay, student expression of the learning English. All right, okay. Many things that you can learn at school, not only English. You can learn biology, mathematics. Nah, but if you like studying English better, so this is your expression. Nah, inilah aksi ketika Ananda selesai belajar bahasa Inggris. That's good point. Okay. Well, I think that's enough for today. And then I hope you can learn at home. So you try to remember and then you try to practice your English. And I hope your English will be better and better. Oke, diharapkan untuk mengulang kembali pembelajaran kita. Oke, kemudian practice make you perfect. Jadi di bahasa Inggris ini tanpa diulang, tanpa praktek, bahasa Inggris Ananda tidak akan bagus. So, kuncinya practice make you perfect. I think that's enough. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.